Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an image header on Blogger. This is a great way to give your blog a more professional, branded look that reflects your style and helps visitors instantly recognize your site. First, open your browser and head over to blogger.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're accessing the correct blog if you manage multiple sites under one account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Blogger dashboard. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Layout. This section is where you can control all the visual elements and widgets that appear on your blog, including headers, sidebars, and footers. Once you're in the Layout section, you'll see a visual representation of your blog's structure. Look for the header section at the top of this layout. You'll notice a small pencil icon right beside the word header. Go ahead and click on that pencil icon. This opens up the settings specifically for your blog's header, allowing you to make changes to how it appears. A pop-up window will now appear with various header configuration options. In this window, you'll see a section labeled Image. Under that section, click on Upload Image from Computer. This tells Blogger that you want to use a custom image from your device rather than just text or the default settings. After clicking that option, a new button will appear labeled Choose File. Click on Choose File to open your computer's file browser. Navigate through your folders to locate the image you want to use as your header. This could be a logo, a banner you've designed, or any image that represents your blog's identity. Select your image and confirm your choice. Once your image is uploaded, Blogger will display it in the preview area. Now comes an important decision. You'll see an option that says, instead of title and description, click on this option. By selecting this, you're telling Blogger to display only your image header without any text overlay. This gives you a cleaner, more professional appearance and ensures your custom design isn't cluttered with default text elements. After making that selection, click Save to apply your changes. This confirms all the modifications you've made to your header and updates your blog's layout accordingly. Now, to see how your new image header looks on your actual blog, head back to the left side navigation menu and click on View Blog. This opens your blog in a new tab, allowing you to see exactly what your visitors will see. Take a moment to review how the header appears and make sure you're happy with the sizing and placement. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image header to your Blogger site, giving it a more customized and professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.